Now, this is one of the main reasons why Filmora video editing software will remain my best video editing software. Now, assuming you're recording your video with 3 or 4 or 5 cameras at the same time, simultaneously, all right? And you want to be able to bring these files into your system. You're recording from camera 1, camera 2, and camera 3, and you want to bring these files into your system and edit all of them at the same time. You want to be able to get different angles from your video, okay, while communicating with your audience. You want to be able to talk to camera A, talk to camera B, and talk to camera C. I'm recording with S21 Ultra, S24 Ultra, and my laptop camera. All right. Now, the major problem most editors get while you record this kind of video simultaneously from different cameras is editing the video. All right. Editing this kind of video is quite very difficult because the major thing in editing this kind of video is the ability for you to align the audio in the video files. When you import all these 3 video files now, aligning the audio, that is the major problem most editors face. That is the most difficult problem. But with Filmora video editing software, aligning this audio is as easy as anything. All you need is just import all these files and bring it into your timeline, all of them, okay? Once you import all the files, drag and drop each of the files into Filmora timeline. Drag and drop this. Drag and drop this. Here is the continuation. Now this file and this file is the same thing. The camera stopped on the way that I have to like start recording it again. That is why it's double. Now select all these files, right click on them and go to Auto Synchronization. Now see what will happen. Once I click this, it will start reading. It's going to organize this file, align and synchronize all of them so that the audio will balance. You can see. Now once you zoom these files now, you will notice something, that the whole audio, you can see from here, if you zoom it more, you can see that the whole audio, both this first, second and third one, the whole audio have aligned. So editing it from this point makes things very easy. The software has done the major work for you. Before, what we'll do is you start dragging the file and start looking for where to set the audio, just like that. But now with synchronization, the software balances everything without any issue or hustle. So this is just what I want to share with you guys. And if this video was helpful, make sure you like and make sure you follow for more tips like this.